Kamati mar jod bura mochung'ne weche somo dwaro mondo jatend migao mar weche somo oneni chik mane oketi mar jopuonjre mag junior sekondar donje sikunde maonge chudo ketie tim. Kan loso kod jofwambo, jakom duolno Julius Meli ogolo siem ne jotend sikunde mapod kwayo jonyuol omenda mag somo mag jopuonjre mag junior sekondar mondo mi ochung tim makamano. Omedo ni jatend migao mar somo winjo tudre gi ruodhi mag gwenge ni jopuonjre 200,000 mapok odonje sikunde odonjo kendo winjo giti gi yo mane en jatend migao machon ne tiyogo mane ni jopuonjre te oriure kod sikunde.
First of all on levies, more so on junior secondary. A student in junior secondary in the Republic, as much as the PS has issued circulars, they have issued letters, they have even issued memorandums, they have even talked on TV. There is a lot of impunity on the part of the school administrators. And we have asked them, let the officers on the ground take action against anyone charging fees in junior secondary. And we as the Committee of Education, we will not relent, and we are going to put the PS and the CS to task on that, because they are actually the lead government implementers. If their juniors are disobeying them, what action are they doing? If they are not abating it, then they tell us. That is it. Because if you have given a directive that the juniors stop charging, and what action have you done? Two, we have this issue where we are saying 200,000 students are not there. The CS Interior and the PS Minister of Education, all of them need to round out these people. And the way it was done previously, they need to do the same.